Hi, I'm Xavier Rose, and welcome to my review of Fences. Alright, so let's start this movie. Wow, what a tour de force by Viola Davis. She's amazing. I couldn't believe it. This, especially that one scene that you see in the trailer. Yeah, in when you see it in the cinema, blow your mind, blow your mind. It's just wonderful.
Not easy for me to admit that I've been standing in the same place for 18 years.
Well, I've been standing with you! I gave 18 years of my life to stand in the same spot as you!
This movie is based on a play by August Wilson, who also was a screenwriter for this movie. And Denzel Washington directed it, and he also starred in the play version of it on Broadway, as well as Viola Davis. So they're both reprising their original roles in this movie, and you can tell because they are very comfortable with these characters. It breathes through them, radiates. Very believable. You sense. It's like it's like there are these people, and that previous experience shows up here.
When I first met this woman, I saw Rose and I latched on to her. I told her, baby, I don't want to marry. I just want to be your man. Rose told me.
I told him if he wasn't a mankind, and move out the way so the mankind could find me.
That's what she told me. You're in my way, you're blocking the view, move out the way so I can find me a husband.
Alright, this story is pretty gets in the feels, First off, you start off with Team Denzel, and it seems like this tough, well-intentioned family man, and then as the story progresses, you see, he's got some problems. He's a bit of flawed person, But I love that. Every main character doesn't have to be the most likable person in the world. But you understand why he does what he does, even though you also don't understand why he does what he does, and it's to him. Now, Viola Davis. She deserves every nomination she gets and every win she gets from this. What an amazing actress. She is at the top of her game, and pretty much one of the best of our generation. Top 5 actresses around currently. It's undeniable. You watch this movie and you're blown away by her. The little subtleties, as well as the overall wow moments that she provides. Absolutely incredible. And the rest of the supporting cast, they're lovely. No complaints about them. They did not distract the movie, they helped the movie. And so, well done to the casting department for this movie, Fences. Now, I just want to say, if you don't see this movie, you're missing out. It absolutely deserves to be viewed. It is amazing, and this is just brilliant film work. Though there is some little thing where it's from a play, and you can tell that it's from a play because there's lots of dialogue. I say if you are not a fan of dialogue movies, heavily laden dialogue movies, you are not gonna love this. The story progresses based on exposition, so if you like amazing visuals, this is not for you. It's gonna bore you. But if you don't mind a bit of talking, get to watch it. Alright? So that's me, and I'm done.
Can I ask you a question? How come you ain't never liked me?
Like you? What law is there say I got to like you?
None.
All right then. Don't you eat every day? Answer me when I talk to you. Don't you eat every day?
Yeah.
As long as you in my house, you put a sir on the end of it when you talk to me.
Yes, sir.
You eat every day.
Yes, sir.
Got a roof over your head.
Yes, sir.
Got clothes on your back.
Yes, sir.
Why you think that is?
Because of you?
Hell, I know it's because of me. But why do you think that is?
Because you like me?
Like you.
Oh, quick note. I'm gonna be uploading some videos, my most anticipated of 2017 and my top 10 of 2016. This one may be included very soon to make up for this lack of videos. Alright, so I'm out.